Hey folks, the 23-0 Falcon 270 awning set up behind me here, and we've got the optional walls attached. There's two kits. I'm going to show you how to set them up. Let's get started.
Hit it.
Hey folks, it's Ben from Snowy's here today, down at the Adelaide Showgrounds at the Caravan and Camping Show. And we're showing you some 23-0 products on their stand. Now we've disassembled their display here a little bit of the Falcon 270 awning, and what we want to show you is how to attach these walls to the awning. So these are already pegged out around the base here. All we've done is unzip them so we can show you how easy they are to zip up. Now there's two wall sets, A and B. I'm holding A here at the moment and B is at the rear. They're available separately. Now before you zip these on, what you want to do with your 270 awning is take the removable poles out and just lay them on the ground. And also just drop the height of these fixed poles just a little bit. What that does is reduces the tension on the zip as you're doing it up, so it's easy to do, easy to slide along. Now attaching them is really easy. Now normally you wouldn't have it pegged down to start with. It's only pegged today because this is a display that we're working with. We lift this up to the zipper here. So this is at the front end of the awning for wall A. We attach the zipper in. Now this is a little difficult because it is pegged in at the bottom, so it's slightly tighter than you would prefer. We get that zipper started. Now as it starts, what you want to do is just grab the zip in front, lift it up and make sure that zipper slides easy. Don't force the zipper, you don't want to damage it. If we do this, we're just making it nice and easy for the zip to slide along. When we get to the corner up here, it can be a little bit tight just getting around this section. Once again, just lift it up and just ease it around gently. And we keep doing that until we reach the very end. You might find it catches a little bit where there are seams in the fabric. Just need to use a little bit of pressure to get it past. Keep going all the way to the very end, and that's now attached. That's wall one attached. We can now go back to the poles that we removed and attach these back in underneath here to give it the support it needs. And the other thing I mentioned is that these poles here that are on the corners, we can actually take these from upright position and lengthen them out on an angle so that it actually creates more living space in underneath the awning here. So all of the poles inside, with the exception of those end ones, considered an angle like that. Now attaching the second wall is just as easy. We start just where we finished with wall one there and we zip it around to the back. So I've put the other pole in at the rear and I've angled my other pole out on the side there. I can put this last pole in here and angle it out, but what I'm going to do first is join the walls together here so this gap doesn't exist. So I've got wall B on my left here, wall A on my right. There's a zip that runs down here, but we can join them together so that we have a completely enclosed space between the two walls. And that is how to attach the wall kits for your Falcon 270 awning. Really easy. If the ground's hard and you got to put pegs in, that's probably going to be the most difficult element of it. But otherwise, they're a great option to extend the living space of your Falcon 270 awning. Pack up is just as easy, everything in reverse. Loosen these poles first so the awning drops down a little bit, releases tension on the zips, undo all the zips, take the pegs out, you can roll them up, they go back inside a storage bag and you can chuck them in the back of your car, ready for transport. You can grab these online at snowies.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel, we'll send you all the latest and greatest information, or check out some other 23-0 products like this one down here.